Hello, my name is Sarah and I'm a consultant at eCapital Advisors. In this video, I'll be walking you through how to customize your own color palettes for different visualizations in the new version of Planning Analytics Workspace, otherwise known as PA. And when I say new version here, I'm referring to versions 2.0.57 and beyond, and these came out in October of 2020 or later. Here you can see I've created a dashboard with two different sheets of demo data. For our first example, I'll change the colors of these columns to better match eCapital's colors. So first what I'll do is I'll make sure I'm in edit mode. I'll click into the chart, properties, the visualization tab, and we're going to add a custom color palette. Right now it's set to the default IBM palette 1. Click that plus button. We'll give this a name. And we can click the wheel to populate a color palette starting point. If we want to get more specific, we can copy and paste or simply type in the exact hex codes if we want, which is more similar to what you would see in Excel. So what I'll do here is I'll find a blue. Our second color is a yellow. And lastly, we have a dark gray. I can continue to change the rest of these as I want, but in this case, I only need those first three colors. So I'll save that, and this will update accordingly. For this second example, I'll show you the hex code example where you can specifically type in the colors that you want. So we'll name this IBM. Go into that wheel, and I've pulled up a website that gives us the specific color codes of that IBM blue and the black that they use in their logo. So I can simply highlight, Control C for copy, and paste. So there we've got that IBM blue. The second example was just all black, so we have all zeros here. And here we can see it just changed the column colors. For a line and column chart, we'll have to also change the line as well. So in this case, I'll go to Change Color Palette, Custom, and there's that IBM ready to go. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to email me, sharrison@ecapitaladvisors.com, or you can find our website, ecapitaladvisors.com.